be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga, I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven, I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Yeah, man. So I'm out here on a late night, trying to identify these damn fans. To match, so that way I can kind of try to match it to something. These fans are pretty large. Trying to find my damn tape measure. All the tape measure I got, and I can't find one when I'm looking for it. Anyway, I'm gonna try to find it, get the measurements off of it, because the fan is actually wider than the surface area, but it works. It really does. It's got coverage, more than enough coverage, I guess you could say. Being that this setup was already kind of finagled and matched up for this setup, then that's why I'm gonna go ahead and stay with it. So I just want to find out what fan it is before this fan ends up going out like they did on the G body, and then that way I know exactly what I'm looking for when I go to buy another set. There's this number right here, 846271. I don't know what that means. It has about 4 outward facing little joints. Two. I don't know what that's for to hold. Looks like it might hold something originally, or it may have been cut off. Those are kind of distinct as well. Like I said, I don't know if that's a part number, but we'll try it. Nothing there. I'm trying to get a diameter on the fan as well. So I think we might have got a little bit lucky. Let me clean up the screen, the lens. So yeah, if you look here, it has the 2 humps. It has a little protruding parts right there. The only thing that's really different is the plug, which is like a 4 across. Also similar to these are, yeah, see, that's the only thing that's different is that plug. Other than that, the fans look to pretty much be identical, if I would say so myself. Got the 2 joints. Look at the top of the fan. That's kind of where we kind of had a hollow hole at. But yeah, we got the 4 joints holding it. So I think this might be our winner. Camaro fans, y'all. Alright, so after doing some more nitty gritty down to the thing, like I said on this one, the only difference was the connector. A little bit weird. Could look like that. Well, we know the one on the car looks more like this. Now, the only difference between this and this is pretty much this one said it was the first design, and then this one here said it was the second design. So in the event that I guess that you want to upgrade it, possibly, then maybe you would look for this one. They may be wired differently. I can't really tell. They look like there's two independent ones that come over, just like the first design. But yeah, this one says 2010 LS and LT. This one says 2010 LS LT, second design, and then 2011 LS and LT for sure. So this is gonna be a 2010 only fan. Let's see if I can't find it on the website. I found it though. That's that thing. That's what we got right there. So we go to the O'Reilly's. That's a big difference. $265 for that one. $196 for that one. Unfortunately, this one here looks to be a special order, and it only has the 4-pin design. So if you go to a parts store, primarily my parts store, then you would be able to find these fans. You just wouldn't be able to find the one with the connector like I have. So, you know, of course, it's only right that, you know, we would have the only mother flipping fan with that connector. It would be a first design, very limited, and then they wouldn't even make it limited. So that's freaking awesome. I'm just gonna write down the part number 620570. I mean, it wouldn't be a problem. I mean, you just have to find the connector. Side and just rewire it. No big. Well, $196.99. So like I said, that one they don't got a lifetime warranty. They don't even look like it's on the stock in the store. However, this other one seems to be more common, of course, because it costs more. $265.99, and I can have it by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, which means it's probably in KILLEEN, next city over. Yeah. Alright, so what I was able to find, this is exactly what it looks like. However, this is just, I guess, one fan. What kind of shit is this? Details, compatibility, Chevrolet, Camaro. So this is another part number 1540525. Special order. I think this probably like a 1-year warranty. ACW usually does. Yep. But yeah, 2 connectors. connectors, 6 terminals. This one, I guess, plugs into the other fan. That's bullshit. That actually don't look like nothing. Yeah, I was just trying to cross-reference the numbers up here. So I guess it's getting late. But you know, this is what I do, be up late night, grinding, trying to get this info. So I search for it. It's just me as a parts person. I'm not looking for no handouts. Yeah, $146 on what is this? Carparts.com. Trying to see what else this brings up. This brings up something from CirroWeb. I'm guessing that this is the manufacturer part number, which is crazy. I don't know if that's the one we tried to cross before. A lot of people be calling the store asking us to cross-reference stuff. We can do this shit from the crib. No cap. No cap. I just had to take away the PFM dash. And it asked me with a cooling fan motor. Show all the brands, general AC depot, part number. It says 1 of 3. Replaces the AC depot, part number and I wanted to see all of them. I didn't want to see just. I don't think that's the same fan though, honestly. But it does say. It does say that that is the one, but it don't. Because what the fuck I'm gonna do with that? What the fuck am I gonna do with that? Anyway, like I said. We'll focus on finding a connector for the second design, which looks like